Hello friends, in this video I'm going to talk about termination protection which we have enabled for MongoDB Atlas cluster in our last video. So here how this helps. If I go to terminate, unable to terminate this cluster, terminate protection is enabled for this. Go to this, first disable it. Let us see termination protection. Under this cluster details, additional settings, terminate protection is enabled. I can disable it and review changes and apply it. Your flex cluster is being updated. Go to clusters. Now I should be able to terminate it. Terminate. Now it is asking me the reason, right? Now that is the advantage of terminate protection, right? So nobody can delete the cluster accidentally. So first I would recommend that it should be enabled all the time. So I'm just deleting this cluster because it is going to incur me cost. So I'm going to delete it. So I hope this video is useful to you. It's a very short video. This should be helpful. Thank you so much. Happy learning. Take care.